Hi, today I realized something. I'm not fluent yet, but I'm not the same person who was scared on day one. I speak more freely, now I pauses less, I believe more. English did not change me, yeah, but consistency changed me. This is not the end, this is the beginning for me. I will keep going, yeah, one day at a time, one sentence at a time, because growth happens quietly and I'm learning here. I become consistent, so my I will not broke my consistency, and I will post the video every single day for my growth, and I enhance I will enhance a lot. Yeah, so follow this account if you are watching from Instagram or Facebook, and then if you are watching from YouTube, then subscribe my channel Cryptic Spirit. Radhe Radhe.